President.
Please call me Abe.
Welcome to your new home. This is our design center where homeowners can design their own roof.
Yes.
And this is the new showroom.
Wow.
And this is the Oval Office, the place where we provide superior customer service to folks that walk in. You seem to be less than satisfied. What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. It's all very nice. I'm sure this will be a great place for people to purchase a roof that will last a lifetime.
Then what's troubling you?
I was kind of hoping for a White House.
The new showroom at Honest Abe Roofing may not be a White House, but the service you'll receive will be just capital. Come check out our design center where you can customize your new roof using special satellite software and receive $2,000 off during our grand opening spectacular.